panelists for this valuable information, and now we're going to open it up to questions. Yes, ma'am.
Well, after listening to the panel, I mean, I'm just brainstorming in my head a solution. And so the first thing that came to my mind as far as trying to reach our communities, why don't... Oh, hi again. Okay, thank you. The first thing that came to my mind to reach our communities, why not use the app Nextdoor? I live in a community, and Dallas Police, Chick-fil-A, anybody in the you want to sell anything, we post it on the Nextdoor. So it's a free service that you can use in your community. So to get the clinical trials out there, or at least share information, the hospitals, they're not releasing any information. You're just saying, hey, look, if you live in this area, you live next door to Methodist or UT or a hospital in Fort Worth, this is going on. It's now up to that person to follow up with the information, and that's a fast way to get it out there. Then my next question, Dr. Nash, you talked about leaving a legacy behind. I mean, I may work on this today and I'm gonna make $1 million, but everybody has a cell phone. Granny, everybody's got a cell phone. Spanish, people who speak Chinese, whatever, you got a cell phone. There's an app, or someone wants to do it, create an app where you can put your family information, so when you're going to the doctor's office and you know, you don't know that your great-grandmother, most of the time you get cancer, they make you fill out that form, but why not have it on your phone when you go? You can immediately have that information. You create a dialogue with your doctor to say, hey, look, my aunt, so-and-so down 2 generations, just quick information, you can just put it on your phone. So that's the first thing that spun in my head right there.
That's
Use
a
a
great
free
suggestion.
service and then an app. Anybody in with me want to invest?
Or you create it and capitalize on it.
I'm just putting it out there since
a
y'all
good-
asked for
it's a
some
good idea.
ideas. Yeah.
Well, my dears, here we are again.
Before you, I just want to say, you're the lady with all the ideas. You need to take it out there. You've got some excellent ideas. Start knocking on doors. I like your suggestions. You just have to find somebody to, because you've just hit on some important points.
Well, I feel there's a partnership because, I mean, I already have the app on my phone. I use Nextdoor for post for all sorts of things. So now the next step is this partnership with the medical community, because they don't even have to wait for me. They can just do it anyway. It's a free service and it's already available, and it's called Nextdoor. It's a little green house. I think it's just, hold on. Nextdoor neighborhood app. And that's it. You can put anything. It's free. You can do free advertisement for anything. I know, because I get a lot of it, but that's the first way to reach your immediate neighborhoods, whether you're in South Dallas, you're in Lancaster, DeSoto, wherever. It's a free service to use. Just we need to partner with the medical community because they need to put their information out on the app. We'll get it as long as you're in the zip. It can reach any zip code. That's all I have.